Hi friends, this is your Dr. BP alias Dr. Bapuji Pullepu. Now we are going to do the fourth problem. This is also a very good problem, solid question. Evaluate fourth question. Zero to 1, 0 to 1 minus z, 0 to 1 minus y minus z, x, y, z, dx, dy, dz. See, before that you can see the limits. This limit contain y and z, so you can attack first x alone. This is z means what? Don't do with respect to z, then y, z. So what order is given, happily they given, we can attack, we start do. Now with respect to x, if you do means what? This is somewhat a headache problem. Suppose x plus y plus z means we can do simply, nicely we can get the shape. Some textbooks there a standard question is there, 1 by 1 plus x plus y plus z whole cube, I hope. This is okay, this also we do, no problem. So first with respect to x I want to do, then 0 to 1, 0 to 1 minus z. Try to understand my z, I will write like this, z or ez, 2 I will write this. Now with respect to what I will do, x square by 2, my limits is what? Running from 0 to 1 minus y minus z. Remaining fellows are what? Dy is there, dz is there, then yz also there. Now apply limits. If you apply the limits, what you will get? 0 to 1, getting or not? 0 to 1 minus y. Upper limit if you apply, what you will get? 1 minus y minus z whole square by 2. This by 2 also I am taking outside. Then y z dy dz. Now only problem will start. This is already 3 terms, a minus b minus whole square, expand, multiplying with y, somewhat a headache. Instead of doing what I will do, already in our school studies you studied some few properties on integration. This is your very familiar property. Integral 0 to a f of x dx is equal to, how can I write? 0 to a f of a minus x dx. This proofs already you are done in your +1 level. Alright, so using this property, what I will do, this is what my a is what? 1 minus y I will take actually. 0 to a means what? So with respect to what I want to do, this is what? 1 minus z, sorry. Y means variable. 1 minus z. Now with respect to y I am doing, this I will feel as a. So integral 0 to a, where I am having y, I will write a minus x. X is equal to, I will write x minus. So y is equal to, I will write what? A minus y. This if x means what? A minus x. Getting or not? So integral 0 to a f of x means what? Where I am having x, I am writing replacing by a minus x. So similarly you can write, now my variable is what? Y. This y I will write 1 minus z. This y. This y, job is what? So y means what? This become very small term, the whole y square, then this is, then I can multiply easily. Getting or not? It's very very good. Otherwise somewhat headache, then whole cube, somewhat headache will come. This is the best way to do. Some people they are following Bernoulli's also, that is for me okay. If you want you can do, a lot of things are there, which is easiest method you can follow, there is no restriction. Then now I am applying this property, what I will get 10. So now what is my variable y? Where am I having y? This I will write this is, if I feel a means what, f of x is equal to a minus x, I will write. So the whole function I will write. See how nice level is 1 by 2, 0 to 1, 0 to 1 minus z. So 1 minus a is equal to a, the x is equal to a minus z minus y minus z. Correct or not? So this is all. This y how I will write 1 minus z minus y into z is a whole square dy dz. Do slowly, nothing will happen. Now this is what actually, this if you take minus 1 plus z plus y minus z. So minus z 1 minus 1 plus z plus y minus z whole square. See how nicely I am coming. Strike, strike, this fellow go, this fellow go off. 1 minus z minus y into z dy dz. Getting answer. This whole expression just I got it small simple y square. So if I do 0 to 1, 0 to 1 minus z, so this is what y square. Read out. This is what 1 minus z minus y z dy dz. Any problem? This is the best way of attacking. Now what I will do, this 1 minus z into y square, this minus y cube, z you can keep as it is. Don't worry, you will get. Okay or not? So shall I rub off here? So what I will do, still I am not started integration, just a simplification. 0 to 1, 0 to 1 minus z. So z also I will take outside. Then 1 minus z y square, then minus y cube. Any problem? Y cube dz. Now integrate with respect to z. 1 by 2, 0 to 1. With respect to y, this is in terms of z, means you can do with respect to y. Z you can keep outside. 1 minus z y cube by 3 minus y power 4 by 4, 0 to 1 minus z. Anyway, lower limit vanish, upper limit only stands. So if you apply, what you will get? 0 to 1. Then what you will get? Z into this upper limit is what? 1 minus z whole cube. Already 1 minus z is there, so 1 minus z whole power 4 by 3. This fellow is what? 1 minus z whole power 4 by 4. Any problem? Now simplify this, what you will get? Zero to 1. This is 3, 4. If you take LCM, 12. This is what? 4 into 1 minus z whole power 4 minus 3 means what again? whole power 4 dz. Same story. You can apply the zero to 1 z into 1 minus z whole power 4 dz. If you put 1 minus z also tr, again the same property a minus x, if you apply what's become 1 by 24 0 upper limit minus x, this is 1 minus z, this is what, z power 4. Getting or not? Just I am skipping. So this become what? By 24. This you can take inside 0 to 1 z power 4 minus z power 5 dz. So 1 by 24, this is what, z power 5 by 5 minus z power 6 by 6. So this is what, 1 by 24 into 3 into 20, 600, 3 into 40, 120. So this is the way of doing. So what is what property we are using? 0 to a f of x dx is equal to f of a minus x 0 to a. Any problem? Thank you for watching our channel. Kindly subscribe and share to everyone. Bye.